Hello, my name is Tom Burdick. I'm here at the LOS Surgical Center to share my experience after receiving a total hip replacement. I felt just really prepared for it. I can't say enough about the professionalism and the attention to detail. People that are coming in for surgery, there's a certain amount of anxiety and apprehension, and it just seemed to they seemed to help to dissolve that. In addition to the extreme competence of the doctor who actually did the repair, made this just a, call it a delightful experience. Dr. Kyle called me personally prior to the surgery to uh, share that I had made the cut and was going to be um, treated at the LOS Surgical Center. I thought was pretty special. The staff, the team, treated me with such care that it diminished all of those concerns that I had, and it put me at ease. I arrived at the surgical center at 5:30 in the morning, and before noon I was walking to my truck or to my car. And when I got into my car, it was more comfortable to swing that outside leg into the car after the surgery than it was before the surgery.
My name is Alicia Beard. I live in Scott, and I was Tom's caregiver for his recovery. Well, and really before that, too. We prepared together. And having Lindsay as our nurse navigator, having met her at that first prehab meeting, and her follow up was the most important part of the work that she did, in my opinion. The service after the sale was incredible. She texted every day, multiple times a day. She had us leave the surgery center with the medications all written down and organized, and everything was just so taken care of. She even went to the Goodwill to search for a walker for him before we got here that day, which I thought was pretty impressive. But I can't say enough about the entire team that took care of him that day and continued to take care of him even after we got home. We really realized the importance of following doctor's orders once we got home, and I think it encouraged a healthy recovery so far, along with all of the prep work from the entire team.
What can I do now that I couldn't do before? Just about everything, including walking. Um, Walking without pain. I can see that very, very shortly. I'll be hiking the Grand Canyon.
Again.